Hi guys, Ivan here. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell. Today we're reviewing the one and only Lee Oskar, the Otombo Lee Oskar. So great little harp. It's got little holes on the side here and it's widely open in the back to allow a great projection. It's loud. This harp is loud. One of the loudest that I have now. This one is in key of G, 10-hole diatonic regular harp. Very smooth. I love it. Very forgiving if you're a beginner like myself and you're not good. It's a great harp. It cost me I think $56, so it's not gonna break the bank. Really smooth. I'll give you an example with Country Road, the chorus. Again, I'm a beginner, so go easy on me, but I love this harp. It's really smooth and forgiving. So here it is. It's an excellent, I believe, for beginner. That's my opinion. Great, smooth harp, perfect for beginners. I really recommend it. I'm not affiliated with Lee Oskar, but you know, really great harp. I definitely recommend it to start. It's just really fun and smooth. It's really great. Very forgiving. I mean, it's really a great instrument. I recommend it for every beginner out there. As far as budget harmonicas, but quality harmonicas, it's really one of the cheapest, and I mean, you're gonna have a lot of fun. Very loud. It's one of the loudest, if not the loudest. It probably is. It's probably the loudest harmonica with the best projection and super smooth. You'll enjoy it. So don't forget to subscribe and I'll talk to you next time.